Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Poco C75. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here's been the phone previously, and you need to remove this complete yellow box here inside, and on the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, and optional also as well a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to the middle of the SIM tray, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add as well a second SIM card. This is optional, as I've said. Same thing. And this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below as well. Optional as well, you can insert a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. It belongs here to the last position of the SIM tray. Press it very well, that's well inserted. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that. And of course you can use it also with one SIM card, it doesn't matter if one or two. And the contacts, they are below as well. And if you're ready with it, just put back your construction into the SIM slot. So the written words are to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.